Motor Car has a special one for you. It's a 1981 Chevrolet C10. As you guys all know, these C10 square body trucks are all the craze. Everybody wants one and the prices are going crazy. This one has been repainted. The bottom has been redone, all new shocks. The motor's been redone in this one. It is a 350. As we go through the interior here, you can see the dash is in nice, good condition. It's not cracked or busted up or nothing. The headliner is in really good condition as well. Justin can show up there. It's not sagging or anything like that. The seat's in great condition. You got all blue interior in here. One of the cool things is I like this steering wheel. This is an aftermarket steering wheel here. Still gives it the old school retro look, but and feel, but it's not the old crappy, you know, stock steering wheel. It's actually a leather steering wheel. All our gauges up here seem to be working. Fuel gauge is working, the mile per hour is working, your voltage, your oil pressure. We got great oil pressure. We're looking at about 55 to 58 pounds of oil pressure. The temp is just now coming up. We just pulled this out of the garage to do a little test drive for you guys. But with that being said, let's go ahead and give this thing a drive and see how it drives. This truck has a great sounding exhaust on it. It's not too loud, but it still has like some good sound to it. The steering's tight on it. I mean, no slop in the steering. The brakes work phenomenal on this thing. We noticed when we were pulling it out that, you know, the brakes are nice and tight, the pedal's not spongy. If you lay down on them really, really hard, it will lock them up. You don't have power windows, so you don't have to worry about with those things messing up the power motors. You just got the crank windows here. But overall, this is just a great driving truck. For it to be lowered, you know, it's not real rough riding. Good, smooth ride to it. But this 350 definitely has a little bit of get up to it. It's got plenty of power. Oh yeah, that's all you need right there in a sport truck. This truck's in really, really good condition, guys. If this is something that piques your interest or you want to put this in your driveway, give me or Justin a call. My name is Chris. You can reach us at 770-738-7111. I'll also put that up at the bottom of the description down in the bottom of the video. You can look us up on there too. But till then, guys, stay tuned, subscribe. We are constantly doing videos on these vehicles that we're getting in, so you never know what we'll get. So we'll catch you guys later. Doesn't get any better than a 1981 C10 square body.